using physics as a manual for a brighter life. Physics actually aligns in a most remarkable way with the absolute highest spiritual understandings, starting with everything is made of atoms, with the electron being the sole tangible component, only a speck circling the grain of sand-sized nucleus if we were able to enlarge that atom to the size of, say, the Taj Mahal. The subatomic particles comprising this electron are scientifically called resonances. The observer's thoughts, opinions, beliefs, ideas often greatly influence the outcome of even the most meticulously monitored experiments. The scientists themselves, usually unaware, emanate vibrations into those resonances which often determine the results. This implies that our everyday life, whatever we direct our attention, thoughts, and feelings toward, is reflected in our manifested world. For isn't it going into those electrons, those resonances of our atoms? In those electrons, those resonances have certain properties that physicists term colors, flavors. The most advanced electron microscopes verify that some subatomic particles actually have weight and occupy space, implying that this external world may very well be made up of how we flavor and color those resonances according to the way we think. Proof that the key to a masterful life is knowing that what we're experiencing is in large part the product of what we are now choosing to focus on. Fascinating that when certain resonances are flavored and colored at their highest frequency, guess what they are called? The physicists have termed them charms. I ascertain that these charms are influenced by our conscious or unconscious choices of opinions, thoughts, notions, emanations, emotions, beliefs, words. Doesn't it stand to reason that everything in the resonances will vibrate at the frequencies that we are radiating? So what's the key? Speaking, listening to, thinking about, focusing on exactly what we most enjoy having in our lives. And oh, it gets so much easier as we practice it. Actually, when we see the miraculous results, we are encouraged evermore to stay on this charmed path. So much so that soon we wonder how we ever could have done otherwise. Oh yes, let's live charmed lives by day and night, deeply breathing, flavoring, coloring those particles within ourselves exactly with what we most love to experience. The highest frequency of health, the highest ideal of gratitude, peace, fulfillment, excitement, prosperity, joy. Oh yes, mastering the mind works like a charm.